हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द विद्यार्थी ट्यूटोरियल। फ्रेंड्स, आज इस वीडियो में हम फिजिक्स के चैप्टर लाइट के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे जो कि बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। एक एक क्वेश्चन ध्यान से देखें और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, स्टेट द बेसिक लॉ विच डिटरमाइन द reflection of light by mirrors. Second, state Snell's law, give its uses. Question third, can the law of for plane reflecting surface be applied to spherical reflecting surface? Also state the laws of reflection of light. State the condition at which total internal reflection occurs. Define the term star light flux. What impact does atmospheric refraction have on sunrise and sunset? What happens when a ray of light falls normally on the surface of a mirror? Next, what is lateral inversion? Explain with a suitable example. Define principal focus of concave and convex mirror. What is the nature, size and position of the image formed by an object at infinity? Explain how it is used as a doctor's mirror. How will you distinguish between a plane mirror, a concave mirror and a convex mirror without touching them? Next, explains the path of light traveling in air incident on a rectangular glass block and emerging out into the air from the opposite face. Draw a ray diagram to show the complete path. An empty test tube is placed slanting in water and viewed from above. What will you observe? What difference will it make when the tube is partially filled with water? Why do stars twinkle on a clear night? An object is placed between the pole and focus of a concave mirror. What is the nature and size of image? A beam of red light is allowed to fall in turn on a black cloth, a red cloth, white cloth, blue cloth. Describe and explain the appearance in each case. State the condition at which total internal reflection occurs. What is critical angle? Draw a ray diagram showing light incident at the critical angle. Draw the color circle showing primary and composite color. What is meant by dispersion of light? How are focal length and radius of curvature connected? What is the angle of incidence when the ray reflected back when it passes from a denser to rarer medium? Why do we use blue color solution after washing the cloth? How is critical angle related to the refractive index of the medium? With the help of a labeled ray diagram, only show the formation of an image in a compound microscope. How can you distinguish between a real image and a virtual image? नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पार्ट सेकेंड देखेंगे इसी चैप्टर का। थैंक यू।